Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your home page, specifically the new tab page in Google Chrome. Let's open Google Chrome. So here's mine. This is what it looks like. We click on Customize Chrome. Here you can choose a theme from the ones available, or you can upload your own image by downloading it and loading it into Chrome. Right? Well, yeah, here we go. Next up, shortcuts. Here you can also enable color syncing with your device and reset Chrome to its default settings. You can also customize the toolbar up here in the top right, not the shortcuts panel. You can tweak it by adding new features if you need them. There you go. And of course, the most interesting part, shortcuts. You can choose shortcuts here, either ones you've selected or the ones you visit most often. There. To edit them, right-click or click the three dots to delete. You can also find more and add shortcuts here. You can grab any link, like Atinos for example. Add the link, type in Atinos. There, and click Done. There you go. You can also move them around. That's all for now. See you later.